नमस्कार। आज हम लोग जैक के अकॉर्डिंग सेट 3 को इंग्लिश में सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है द वर्ड इकोनॉमिक्स ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ग्रीक। ऑप्शन नंबर बी। नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट डज ईच पॉइंट ऑफ ए प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व रिप्रेजेंट। प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व का हर एक पॉइंट क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है। ऑप्शन नंबर सी इकोनॉमिकली इफिशिएंट प्रोडक्शन। Now next is 3. Which economist is called the father of economics? Option number D. Adam Smith. Fifth number. Economics is the study of human welfare. Which economist has this statement? Option number A. Alfred Marshall has given that the economics is the study of human welfare. Now next question number 6. Which of the following is a study under microeconomics? Option number B. Equilibrium of a firm. It is the topic which is given in this 4 option that is studied under microeconomics. Next question number 7. Demand function of a commodity Q is equal to 20 minus 2P where P is less than 10 and there are 20 consumers of the goods in the market. Find the market demand function for the commodity. Where equation is given Q is equal to 20 minus 2P and consumers is also 20. Then we write here that this equation, then put the 20, multiply 20 in both side, 20 into 20 minus 2p into 20. Next, in next line we got 400 minus 40p. So option number B is correct. Now next is 8 number. What is mean by utility in economics? Option number C, satisfaction of needs. Now 9 number. The value of which of the following can be negative? Option number D, marginal utility. Now question number 10. In equilibrium, a consumer derives C minimum dash from the consumption of good. A consumer derives C minimum from the maximum consumption of goods. Option number A is correct here. Now 11. On purchasing a bundle located on a budget line, a consumer income was spent. Option is 0, half, absolute and 1/3. There is correct option absolute. A consumer spent all of his income for consuming a bundle located on budget line. That means budget line उस लाइन पे होता है जहाँ पे कोई कंज्यूमर अपना सारा का सारा इनकम को एक्सपेंड करता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर व्हाट विल बी द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड एट द मिड पॉइंट जी. द डिमांड लाइन ए बी डिमांड लाइन है, इसका मिड पॉइंट जी पर इलास्टिसिटी क्या है. तो हमें पता है, वी नो दैट एट द सेंटर पॉइंट और मिड पॉइंट इलास्टिसिटी इज इक्वल टू 1 and after that when it goes upward it is greater than 1 and when it goes downward it is less than 1. So here the center point, so correct option is 1. Correct option is B. 13. Which of the following is not an assumption of indifference curve analysis? Option number A, utility is measured in number or counts. It is not an assumption of indifference curve analysis, and rest of all is the assumption. 14 number. A consumer is willing to spend the income of ₹20 on 2 articles, rasgulla and gulab jamun, if the prices of both goods are ₹4 and 5 respectively, and the quantities are X and Y respectively. Then what will be the equation of budget line? The equation of budget line is 4x plus 5y is equal to 20 because there is total income of the consumers is 20. What you want to spend on these two sweets? Option number C, 4x plus 5y is equal to 20. Now next question number 15. Which of the following combination of two goods is combination of competing goods? Competing goods, that means last one Pepsi and Coca-Cola. 16. If the demand line of a commodity is parallel to the price axis and the price elasticity of demand for a commodity, what will be the value of, in this question it is that the value is 0. When the demand line is parallel to price line, then the value of commodity is 0. Elasticity of demand is 0. Next 17, what is meant by production? Production, that means conversion of input into output, creation of new utility, also goods and services with the help of resource also. So the correct option is all of these. 18, what is the rate of change in total product with respect to variable factor called? There is marginal product. 19, who is producer? A producer who produce goods and services with the help of resource. So option number A is correct. A person who makes goods and services with the help of resource. 20. Question number 20. If 24 units of a commodity five units are produced using the units of factor of production, or 30 units are produced by the using of 6 units of production, then what will be the value of margin of production? Total production है 30, तो margin of production की value क्या होगी? By the using of 5 units. By using 5 units, 24, and 6 units, 30. Then what is the value of marginal production? So 30 minus 24, that is 6 units. Next one, 21. What is the revenue received from the sale of additional unit of commodity called? Additional unit. Additional, where these words come, that means marginal. Yeah, marginal revenue. Next one. Which type of cost changes with the change in quantity of a production? That one is total variable cost. 23. If the supply curve of a commodity passes through the origin, then what will be the value of price elasticity of supply? When it passes through origin, that means the price elasticity of supply is equal to 1. Then correct answer is option number B, 1. 24. Suppose there are 3 identical firms in the market and one firm supplies 50 units of the commodity at rupees 5 per unit, then what will be the market supply of the commodity? 50 units. The supply of the firm is 50 units, and total 3 firms, and the price is 5 rupees per unit. Then he supplies 150 units. 50 into 3. Correct option is option number 4, 150 units. 25. A producer rupees 50 by selling 5 units. A producer got rupees 60 by selling 5 units of an article and rupees 70 by selling 6 units of the same article. What will be the value of marginal revenue if he gets? That means at first he sells 5 units and got 50 rupees, and next 6 units and he got 70 rupees. Then 70 minus 50, that one is 20. So correct option is D, 20 rupees. Profit and profit point is reached when TR is equal to TC. Option number C, TR and TC are equal. 27. In the short run, a producer stop production when the price is less than the minimum ABC. When the price becomes less than minimum ABC, then the producer stops the production. 28. What type of profit does a perfectly competitive firms get into long run? That one is general profit. In long run, perfect competition firm, a producer get general profit. Next, 29. If the demand and supply curves of a commodity are Q is equal to 10 minus 2P and Q is equal to 5 plus 3P respectively, then what is the equilibrium price? equilibrium price where D is equal to S. Here is 10 minus 2p and other equation is 5 plus 3p. 10 minus 2p is equal to 5 plus 3p minus 2p minus 3p is equal to 5 minus 10. Then minus 5p is equal to minus 5. We cancel both minus 5 then p is equal to 1. Here correct option is option number A. 30. An increase in the price of a commodity by 5% increases its quantity supplied by 4%. If so, what will be the value of price elasticity of supply? That one is, the formula is quantity supply, change in quantity supply divided by change in price. Then 4% by 5%, when we solve it, we get 0.8. Option number C is correct. Now 31, profit of a firm is represented by which of the following? TR minus TC. When we subtract total cost by total revenue, then we get profit. 32, which condition must be fulfilled for a firm to be an equilibrium? That one is MR is equal to MC, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Next is 33, in a perfectly competitive market, the equilibrium price of a commodity may increase when there is a short term in supply or decreasing in supply. Next 34, what is meant by labor? Labor, that means hours of work done by one person. A person work which is done in 1 hour, that is known as labor. 35, if the marginal product of labor is MP and that of the commodity is P, then value of marginal product of labor is, there is a formula to find out. What is the formula? That one is option number A, P is equal to MP L, marginal productivity of labor multiplied by price. Next question number 36. The marginal product of elasticity of demand for a monopoly goods is greater than 1 when marginal income is positive. When marginal income is positive, then elasticity of demand for a monopoly goods is greater than 1. Next one, 37. In long run, the rate of production is perfectly competitive market is higher than the monopoly in equilibrium price. It occurs more. 38. Which market is characterized by different prices? That one is monopoly. Monopoly market, it changes in price, a lot of change in price. And 39. In which market unusual profit is obtained in long run? In long run, there is unusual profit earned in monopoly. Option number C. And last one, 40. The number of buyers in the monopoly is only 1. There is only 1 buyers in the monopoly market. So we have completed this all question of set 3. So prepare it properly. Thank you.